Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off game mode in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on Gaming. Here you can see Game Mode. Tap on it. In the option of Game Mode, you have to just turn off this button. So this is how you can turn off gaming mode in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.